today we are discussing the example construction of the truth table. Construct a truth table. Construct a truth table for the following propositions. So for proposition is P or Q and R, and P or Q and R. Here the three propositions are given. So we have to write down the construct the truth table for the following proposition for all the possible truth values. Here P, Q, R. So possible truth values. For possible truth values, one is all propositions are false. Another one, two propositions are false, one is true. So next, P and R are false, Q is true. Next one, P is true, Q and R false. Next one, P is true, Q and R false. P is true, Q is false, R is true. P is true, Q is true, R is false. P true, Q true, R true. So total number of possible propositions possible truth values. So in all these three possibilities, we have to construct P or Q and R. P or Q and R. So to construct the first one, first we need the P or Q. P or Q, we know that the P or Q, or the rule states that either a P is true or Q is true, then it is true. If both are true, then it is true. So it is false only if both are false. So see the first one, 0 or 0, both are false, so it is false. 0 or 0, both are false, so it is false. 0 or 1, so 1 is true. Here also 1 is true. Here also 1 is true. And here also 1 is true. Here both are true. Here the both are true, so it will be true in all other cases. P or Q and R, I will consider this table as fourth one. So this one is first, second, third, and this one as a fourth one. P or Q and R. So 4 and 3. So I am just giving a number to the table for the columns only. So P or Q and R. So 0 and 0. 0. 0 and 1. 0. 1 and 0. 0. 1 and 1. 1. 1 and 0. 0. 1 and 1. 1. 1 and 0. 0. 1 and 1. 1. So in the AND condition, both should be true. Otherwise it is false in all other cases. That is the rule of the AND. So next one is P or Q and R. Q and R. First we have to construct the Q and R. Q and R means 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And means both should be true. 0 and 0. 0. 0 and 1. 0. 1 and 0. 1 and 0. 0. 1 and 1. 1. 0 and 0. 0. 0 and 1. 0. 1 and 0. 0. 1 and 1. 1. So next one is P or Q and R. So consider this one as a fifth table and this one as a sixth column. So now Q and R. Q and R means this one, sixth table. P means first table. So 1 or 6. means first column or sixth column. Or means any one is true, then it is true. If both are false, then it is false. 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 1. So that is how to construct the truth table for the three propositions in all possible of the truth values. So next topic of the modulo is tautology. Tautology, contradiction, tautology, contradiction and contingency. So what is the tautology and what is the contradiction and what is the contingency? So see here, tautology means tautology is a compound proposition. A compound proposition which is true for all possible truth values. Of its components is called a tautology. So what is the exactly meaning? A compound proposition which is true for all the possible truth values of its components, then it is called a tautology. Tautology means, suppose here we constructed here it is a one compound proposition. So and we write it a truth values. If all the truth values are true, for example, suppose if we get all the truth values are true like this, then it is called a tautology. Means a compound proposition which is true for all the possible truth values. For example, like this, these are all the possible truth values. In all these cases, if the proposition is true in every case, then it is called the tautology. Contradiction means, so what is the contradiction? Contradiction means, suppose a compound proposition which is false for all possible truth values of its components is called contradiction. Means same as it is. For all the possible truth values, if any proposition which obtain the truth value 0 in every case, means false in every case. If we construct any compound proposition, for that compound proposition, if we get all the values are false, means a compound proposition which is false for all the truth values of its components, then it is called a contradiction. Same as it is next one, contingency. Contingency means a compound proposition which can be a true or false depending upon the truth values of its components. Then it is called a contingency. Contingency means it may be the true or false, mix. Not completely true, not completely false. This is a meaning of the contingency. Tautology means in the compound proposition all the truth values of the components are true. In the contradiction all the truth values of the compound proposition is false. In the contingency, a compound proposition that may be true or false, both are the possible. So that kind of the proposition is called contingency. So now I am moving to the example of the tautology. So now I am moving to the example of based on the tautology. Prove that for any propositions P and P, Q, R. Prove the following compound proposition is a tautology. So the proposition is P implies Q and Q implies R implies P implies R. Prove that for any propositions P implies Q and Q implies R implies P implies R is a tautology. We have to construct the truth table for this compound proposition and we have to verify and we have to prove that it is a tautology. So means we have to first construct the possibilities of PQR. Possible truth values of PQR. So I am giving the name for the every column, first column, second column and third column. So all the possibilities 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if any difficulties to arrange these, you can easily remember 4, 0, 4, 1. 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1. Alternatively 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. You can remember like that trick also to remember all the possibilities. So you can remember on that way also. First is P implies Q. First I am constructing P implies Q and I will call this one as the fourth column. P implies Q. 0 implies 0, 0, sorry 1. 0 implies 0, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 0, 0. 1 implies 0, 0. 1 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 1, 1. And Q implies R means I need the Q implies R also. So fifth one. Q implies R. So 0 implies 0, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 0, 0. 1 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 0, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 0, 0. 1 implies 1, 1. So that is the fifth table. Now we have to construct the P implies Q and Q implies R. Means 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 means both should be true, then only it is true, otherwise it is false. So 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, 1. 0 and 1, 0. 0 and 1, 0. 0, 1 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, 1. Means in the AND both should be true, otherwise it is false. So next we need the P implies R. So construct the P implies R. This one is the sixth table. So this sixth column and seventh column. So P implies R. 0 implies 0, 0. 0 implies 1, 0. 0 implies 0, 0. 0 implies 1, 0. 1 implies 0. 0 implies 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 implies 0, 0. 1 implies 0, 0. 1 implies 0. 1 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 0, 0. 1 implies 1, 1. Sorry, I am repeating it again. P implies R. So implies means only if P is true, R is false, then only it is false, otherwise it is true in all other cases. So 0 implies 0, true. 0 implies 1, true. 0 implies 0, true. 0 implies 1, true. 1 implies 0, false. 1 implies 1, true. 1 implies 0, false. 1 implies 1, 1. So next one is P implies Q and Q implies R, that is the sixth column. That implies 7, means 6 implies 7. So 6 implies 7 means if 6 is true, 7 is false, then only it is false. 1 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 0, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 0, 1. 1 implies 1, 1. So I am just writing it against the 1, 1, 1, 1. So I just writed it. So 1 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 1 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 0, 1. 0 implies 1, 1. 0 implies 0, 1. So 1 implies 1, 1. See here, all the truth values of this compound proposition is true. This one is true, 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 true. So it will be true in all other possibilities. All the possibilities, the compound proposition is true for all the possible truth values of the components. So then it is called the tautology. So that is the meaning of the tautology. Tautology means a compound proposition which is true for all possible truth values of the components. So then it is called the tautology. Same as it is, if in the same manner, if we construct any compound proposition, if we get all the values are false, means all the values are 0, then it is called the contradiction. Means a compound proposition which is false for all possible truth values of the components, then it is called the contradiction. Same as it is, contingency means, so like here, 2 are true, false, true, false, 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 true. Like this, if compound proposition which is maybe the true or maybe the false, both are combined in the compound proposition, that kind of the propositions are called the contingency. Means tautology means all possible truth values are true. Contradiction means all the values are false. Contradiction means all are false. Contingency means both true and false are mixed together.